Previously on In the Lab with New Life Kicks, we went over the first 2 steps in our 3-step suede cleaning process. The first step being pre-treatment, also known as dry cleaning, and the second step, treatment, where we clean using Just Suede. The final step in our suede cleaning process is post-treatment. This is where we will reassess our work to see if there's any stains that need more attention, but mainly we will recondition and soften the suede. During post-treatment, if you see an area that is still dirty, you will use the pre-treatment tools while dry to lift any remaining dirt. Pre-treatment tools will mainly be the 4-way crepe brush and a soft bristle brush if needed. Remember, post-treatment is done when the shoe is fully dry and clean. Make sure to go panel by panel to ensure no areas are left untouched. Also, if dealing with a shoe that has various colored suedes, use a different tool for each color. When you begin to see the suede action and movement coming back to the materials, that will let you know that you are post-treating correctly. The dual-sided eraser can also be used in post-treatment if needed to pack down the suede fibers. Use the flat side of the gum eraser in a back and forth motion. A reminder when cleaning suede and nubuck is that pre-treatment is the most significant step to allow Just Suede to clean, revitalize, and restore the luster of your kicks. If at any point your suede begins to fade, lightly and evenly spray Just Suede as if you're applying mink oil. Just Suede is a versatile cleaner. Here we will use it to lather the laces, lightly agitate and loosen the dirt, then rinse using clean water. Since these laces are black, they won't require much scrubbing. Here we're using hot, clean water and Just Suede to rinse away any dirt. Be sure to wring out the laces and use a microfiber towel to dry as much as possible. A quick New Life hack to dry and remove any fraying on your shoelaces is simply running a heat gun on medium heat across the laces. After a full 3-step suede cleaning process, you can easily bring back multicolored suedes. For more content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, sign up for our text messages for exclusive deals at newlifekicks.com.